Hello and welcome to Homework Club. We are on Chapter 11, Lesson 3, and the subject is hands-on, estimate, and measure mass. All right. Unlike the other lessons that we did in this chapter when we were measuring capacities, the liquids, now we're actually measuring actual mass. All right, let's skip through the helper section and go right into the practice. All right, now this section is saying circle the better unit to measure each mass. So in other words, we have to look at this object, right? And we have to say, does it make more sense to use grams or kilograms? All right, remember how for the capacity for liquid, I told you that each milligram is like, milliliter was like a drop. Well, a gram is like almost a penny, or even lighter than that, maybe a paper clip. Gram is like a paper clip, okay? Kilogram is like a size of, as heavy as a book, all right? Gram is like a paper clip. Kilogram is like a book, all right? So, bowling ball. Will you use a little tiny little measurements like a paper clips or a book? So, in other words, look at this. You think about it. Is this more than a book, or it's less than a book? Well, bowling ball is very heavy, right? So it's definitely much more than a book. So we're definitely gonna use kilograms to measure bowling ball. How about zebra? Definitely much heavier than a book, right? That means we'll use kilograms for a zebra as well. How about a cell phone? No, cell phones are much less than our books, right? They're very, very light, and we definitely are in grams. We definitely use grams to measure cell phones. How about laptops? Well, the laptops are getting lighter and lighter every day, but they're still heavier than a book. They're usually about 1.5 to 2.5 kilograms. So we're gonna use kilograms for a laptop computer. All right, and pair of socks, I hope they're not as heavy as my books. So we're definitely gonna use grams to measure the socks because they're light. And a marble, the little marble balls are definitely light, right? You can just hold a bunch of them in your hand. So we can use grams to measure them. See, it's that simple. All you have to do is just think of it like measure, compare it to your book and see how heavy they are and what would you use. All right. Now, next one says circle better estimate for each mass. Now, we have already given some units, and we have to say, well, this belongs to that or that. Again, 100-gram crackers. Do you think they're heavier than our books? Definitely not, right? They're measured in grams. I would say they're about 4 grams. See how light they are? Grams. And a key is definitely not as heavy as 2 of my books, so they're only a couple of grams. Got it? All right, guys, let's go to the next page. It has a lot more interesting stuff in it, and let's see if we can use this knowledge to start solving problems. All right? If you'd like to get help with the rest of the problems in this lesson and every single lesson in 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade math, please visit us at my-homeworkclub.com or simply click the link in the description.